Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the new Hearth Reed Seed in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Summer Camp event. So guys, finally the Summer Camp event has been arrived in Grow a Garden. And this is one of the new seeds from this update. If you want to get this seed, you need to go to the crafting bench and you need to reach tier 4 in the campfire workshop. And you need to craft this Hearth Reed seed with this recipe. You need the godless sprinkler and advanced sprinkler, coconut seed, and also 5 million shekels. And after you craft it, you need to wait until the crafting process completed. And then I've already planted this Hearth Reed seed in my garden, and this is how the plant looks like. And I'm going to burn this plant to see the score, guys. I want to know how many embers that we get from burning this plant. Oh, it gives me 1000 embers. Okay guys, and that's all about the Hearth Reed Seed in Grow Garden Game Opera Blog's new summer camp event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!